Very good. Now let's go and find a comfortable position. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Relax, relax. Very, very relaxed. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Very, very deep. Focus on your breathing. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Very, very relaxed. Very good. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Very good. Now, let's go and visualize very bright light right at the back of your head. This light is very warm. It's coming down through your neck, relaxing your shoulder, your face, your head. It's going down now through your hands, all the way throughout the fingers, relaxing your chest, your back, the lower back, your hips, your legs, your feet, and this light is going down all the way to the center of the earth. Very, very good. Relax. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now, let's go and go a little bit deeper. Let's count from 20 to 1. Focus on your breathing. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Focus on your breathing. Very, very good. Breathe in and out. Now, let's go and activate the red matchmaker to connect the energy of love in us. Every day in every way, I am love. Every day in every way, I am lovable. Every day and every way, I am attractive. Every day and every way, I am ready to love. Every day and every way, I am ready to receive love. Every day and every way, I am opening my heart chakra. Every day and every way, I am ready to create loving energy everywhere I go. Every day and every way, I am creating likability and loving energies. Every day and every way, I am attracting positive relationships to my space. Every day and every way, I am creating long-lasting likability. Every day and every way, I am loving myself, and as a result, I radiate that love to others. Every day and every way, I am impacted by love. Every day and every way, I am seen with love. Every day and every way, I am opening to give love. Every day and every way, I am accepting love. Every day and every way, I am accepting and giving love to others. Every day and every way, I am open to give love. Every day and every way, I am magnetizing loving people into my life. Now, let's go and activate the thriving star to activate the courage. Every day and every way, I am full with energy to take action. Every day and every way, I am creating my ideas into services and products. Every day and every way, I am moving towards the right direction. Every day and every way, I am one with my goals and plans. Every day and every way, I am accepting my self-worth. Every day and every way, I am living in abundance. Every day and every way, I am calling my abundance in ideas to create greatness to the world. Every day and every way, I am creating my destiny with dignity. Now, let's go and turn the salty-pool energy into a high, good vibrational energy to activate self-acceptance and love. Every day and every way, I love myself, and as a result, I radiate love. Every day and every way, I am accepting myself as I am, and I accept others. Every day and every way, I create healthy boundaries. Every day and every way, I am opening to love. Every day and every way, I am feeling safe to accept love. Every day and every way, I am detached from anything that is no low vibrational energy. Every day and every way, I am independent in love. Every day and every way, I am self-reliant in love. Every day and every way, I am free from addictions. Every day and every way, I am free from addictive behaviors. Every day and every way, I am independent emotionally. Every day and every way, my independence radiate love. Now let's go and activate a very strong energy of spiritual evolution. Every day and every way, I am awakening my divine light. Every day and every way, I'm awakening my spiritual connection. Every day and every way, I am becoming more aligned with my source. Every day and every way, I am in perfect alignment with my divine wisdom. Every day and every way, I am growing spiritually. Every day and every way, I am one with consciousness. Every day and every way, I am in higher alignment with my higher self. Every day and every way, I am perfect truth with source.